The Health and Healing Expo started with the idea of connecting people from our community with local vendors in the health, healing, and holistic industry. We wanted to provide this one-stop shop for wellness.
I was thrilled to do the Healing and Health Expo because integrative health, this alternative way of healing, it's not about medication. Not that medication isn't appropriate in some situations, but that there is so much more to healing and health. And I feel like the Healing and Health Expo gets that. And so having our center presented here, I sponsored it because I feel like this is the new frontier for real mental health.
Awesome. The Health and Healing Expo is good for us because our purpose is to be part of this community and really make a difference where people can live and play pain-free. So we just love to serve. We love to serve the business owners here. We love the environment that the Health and Healing Expo provides.
The idea is to connect like-minded people, keep the money local, the economy grows, and our community gets stronger.
I've been very, very pleased at the diversity of vendors that we have here. So there's a lot to select from. Lots of really good information and a lot of freebies.
This is the second time that I've been here. I came initially just to check it out, started engaging with some of the vendors that are here, specifically Yunxin.
That was literally what I had. I went and so they did like a consultation for me and it was pretty much a massage, but like kind of more than that. It was more like spiritual in that sense, and so it really helped me.